Happy New Year's 2022. Let's have a great year. What is going on? Well, it's 2022. Happy New Year to you. Hopefully you had a good New Year's, and wish all the best for you. But today, I have a brother-in-law who he's real into hardcore carnivore products by Jess Pryles, and he's always talking to me about it. So what he ended up doing for me is Christmas Day bought me as a present a rub. So it's hardcore carnivore Meat Chelada. So I'm gonna try it out. I got some bone-in chicken breast. I made it skinless, took the skin off. I don't want the skin, so let's go with that. I want the meat for the rub to penetrate the meat, get more flavor, more taste, and we'll see how it goes. It's a Texas Chile lime rub. Smelt it. It's pretty good, pretty strong. So we'll see how that goes. And I got the Rambler going right now. The charcoal, it's going. So once that's up to temp, which I'm gonna let it go from 250, 300. I don't care. Let's go for that. It's all about the rub. That's what's most important right now is the rub. It's not about that meat. So let's get to it. All right, it's been hovering around 250, a little over 250. I'm cool with that. As you can see, I'm not going to go with the ink bird to read the cooking grade temp. I'm just going to go with temp gauge right there. There it is. The 2 chicken breasts. Looking good, looking good. And there's a charcoal. I'll probably put a little more charcoal on there just to kind of keep it going, because eventually that's going to die out. Here it is. Voila. Look at that Rambler. Look at that Rambler. You got to get yourself a Rambler if you don't have one yet. Go out and get a Rambler. Well, you're going to let it roll. You're going to let it get to temp. And I'll bring you back. Alright, I was sitting a little over 275, but it's starting to drop, so which means that the charcoal's probably going out. So there's looking pretty good. Just gonna go and play some more. Keep it going, right? Keep it going. Man, it's looking good. Now this is about close to 40 minutes in. Looking good. There it is, close to 275. It's been a little over an hour. Let's peep it. Looking good, looking good. I like the way the rub sits on it and the way it looks. Almost set. Look good. It smells good. Hopefully it tastes good, right? But let's continue on. Just chilling, listening to music, letting this cook go. It's been an hour and 45 minutes. Let's see the turn up temp of the chicken. $48, $149. This one's $164, $165. So this one's about to be pulled off, but this one got a little bit more to go. The bigger one, say it's smaller breast than this one right here. In the first hour, the temp of the Rambler was sitting at a little over 175. The second hour, closest 2 hours, the next hour mark, it was just a little over 250. I gotta replenish the charcoal, But we'll keep going. I'll pull this off in a bit and let this one get the temp, and then I'll slice into it. Alright, so I'm gonna take this little one off. It's been a little over 2 hours, so I know that's done. When you saw before that it's proed over 165, so I'm gonna take that one off. I'm gonna let this one go a little bit more. Looking good. This is my charcoal. I'm gonna put a little bit more, but it's been sitting around close to 275. I'm gonna pull it off, let it rest, and I'm probably gonna slice into this one and let this one go for a little bit. So take it off, let it rest, and get to eating. All right, let's slice into it. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. All right. Now let's take a bite. Here it is. Smells good. Like the way it looks. Now remember, this was skinless. I removed the skin from the breast. I removed it. Love the way it gave a little good texture to it. Looks good, looks good. So, how about that bite? That's good. Oh yeah. You can taste like the lime in it. How say that chili? That is good. Now it says too, a little spicy. You feel it. Now it says too that you can use it to dress up your beer if you want. Let's see, it goes for fajitas, which I think I'm gonna put on some beef fajitas, some inside skirt steak, because man, it's hard to get some outside skirt steak where I'm at. So I'll go some inside skirt steak. But taco meat, you would use it for taco meat. What else? Chicken wings, margarita glass, and like I said, dress up a beer if you want. But looks pretty good. I'm gonna go for a little bit more. Oh yeah. Like I said, this was all about just the rub. And I like it. It's pretty good. It lives up to its name, the Texas Chile lime rub. You can taste the chili, you can taste the lime in it, and I can see why it would go good with your beer. So it's good. Hardcore Carnivore, Jess Pryles. Hopefully I'm saying her name correctly, but I've seen her YouTube videos. Like I said, my brother-in-law, he got me into her by sending me some videos of her and telling me about her, and he buys her rubs, and he's into her a lot. So thank you again for this. This is awesome. I'm gonna be using it more. Like I said, I'm gonna get some skirt steak and apply this with it. But get some more. Easy to cook with the fantastic rub. Just kick back. Oh yeah, the rub gets in the flavor in your mouth. Like you tasted the breast, the chicken, but then the lime, the chili. Oh yeah, you taste it. It's good. It's good. And like I said, I didn't even put too much of it on there. I can still taste it, the rub. It's good. It's good. I'm telling you, go out and get it. It's good. But this video was just a pretty easy cook. It's chicken. Chicken's so easy to do once you get down to it. Nothing to it, but it was all mainly about the rub. So go out, get you that rub, And it's New Year 2022. Hope you have a great one. Hopefully you started off well. But till the next video, folks, smoke on, everyone. We'll see ya.